Hey, Samari Investments, or what is that? Somar Investments. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Invest with Alex V. What's up? What's going on? What's going on? Who is that on Facebook? Can't quite see who that is on Facebook. Thanks guys for being here. We're gonna get started here in a few minutes. We'll talk about something that I'm sure that some of you guys have already been struggling with or have struggled with. So we just gonna kind of give a few more minutes, and then we're gonna jump on in, and we're gonna just have a quick little chat on today for our I call it the 2-minute meetup, but I always go over because I love giving you guys this information. Who is that? What's that? Elevation Real Estate Group. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? It's that ARYNS Investments. What's up? I don't know how to say y'all names. You know, y'all can be kind of creative on the brothers sometimes, but I just want to make sure I give y'all a quick holler while I got you on here. Got some people here. Hey, Dawn, what's going on? How you doing? Haven't heard or seen or heard from you in a while. How's it going, sister? Glad that you are here. Thank you. So let's kind of jump right in. I just want to go ahead and get started. I gotta go downstairs and prepare dinner for the family here. But I want to talk about what all of you guys have either been through, going through, or will face when you're starting out as a real estate investor, or when you're starting out really doing anything new and anything creative, is you're gonna go through that analysis paralysis. I'm pretty sure you heard of that, where you're looking at a deal or you're looking at doing something and you're trying to figure it out. You're trying to be methodical about what you're doing. You're trying to make sure you cross all of your T's and dot all of your I's and everything like that. But I want to give you, just a few. I got some things on my board over here. I just want to give you a few points of why this is not good. You can overanalyze things. What state am I located in? I am in Phoenix, Arizona, but I wholesale virtually in multiple markets. So let's go over this analysis paralysis real quick. I face this when starting out. You hear this quite a bit when people are getting started. They say, everything, when you're starting out something new, the only thing you have to do is take action. It's the only thing you have to do is take action. Just jump right in and do it. I'm a firm believer of that, but one thing that I do know is you have to make a decisive decision. You have to make a decisive decision before you even start to take action. And that's one of the things that people face and they have a problem with, is finally making that decisive decision, saying, this is what I'm going to do. No matter what, come hell or high water, I am going to do this, and nothing is going to stop me. So when you're going through that analysis paralysis, first thing you have to do is make that decisive decision. So when you're making that decision and you're focused on what you're going to do, you're going out, let's just say you're going out to, close that first deal or close that next deal, and you're analyzing this small multifamily unit, and you're scared to put that deal out there. You're scared to pull the trigger and tell that seller exactly what you're going to offer on that property. What happens is that when you are indecisive, when you go through that analysis paralysis stage, more things happen negative than positive. We are all prone to not want to make mistakes, but sometimes those mistakes help push you forward. So in this 2-minute meetup, I want to just go over 4 things that when you're stuck in that analysis paralysis stage, how it can hinder your progress going forward. So the first thing that it can do, I already told you, that it will slow your progress. A lot of times when you finally make up your mind and you decide on what you're going to do, you have all of the energy, you have all the emotion, you have all the passion, you're ready to go forward, you're ready to go do it. And what happens is your mind starts to think, well, what if this? What if that? What if these negative things happen? And when you start thinking about those negative things, one, it slows up your progress. So you got to get out of that and indecisiveness and take action and make sure you make that decision so your progress is not slow. Number two, it creates doubt. You're sitting there, you're trying to analyze things, you're trying to figure it out, and at the same time, now you're getting these seeds of doubt. What if the number that I'm offering is too high? What if the seller doesn't accept my offer? Or what if I put it out to my buyers list and no buyer will want to accept the deal that I have? What do I do next? But you got to spin that, and you got to look at the positives, and you got to say, well, what if I do offer right? What if I do find a buyer that's going to help me close this deal? What if I do find the right contractor, or if this property is the right flip? So you got to spin that negative to a positive. The next thing about indecision and analysis paralysis is that is the fear, that is the foundation of fear. And fear will stop you in your tracks. And I'm gonna tell you this because I went through this and I still go through it, and it's a daily process. It's not that you come to this point where you say, okay, I'm gonna make this decision and full steam ahead, and you don't get those seeds of doubt again. You will get those seeds of doubt. So it's the foundation of fear. And again, that fear is going to stop you and make you procrastinate. It will make you sluggish. It'll make you start thinking about what if. So let's get over those things. Let's get your progress going. Let's eliminate those seeds of doubt. Let's eliminate that foundation of fear. Because if you walk in those three positions or those three emotions, what happens is you lose opportunity. There's an opportunity cost to indecisiveness. There's an opportunity cost to analysis paralysis. The longer you take to make that decision to jump out there and do it, the more deals that you're missing on the back end. So let's just say if you make the decision today, I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna make the decision, I'm going to be a real estate investor, and come hell or high water, I'm going to do whatever it takes to get to that next point. In 6 months or 3 months, you may have that first deal. And then after those 3 months, the next 3 months, you may have your second deal. After that, you may get your third deal, or the next month you may get 3 deals under contract. But while you're waiting on that one deal being indecisive, you have missed the next deal that happens in 3 months, the 3 deals that happens after that, and then your progress to creating your own wholesale business. So analysis paralysis is not just on that one deal, but analysis paralysis will stop your career from moving forward. So guys, I just wanted to bring this to you on today on this week's 2-minute meetup, is that, just to recap, analysis paralysis will slow your progress. It will create doubt. It is the foundation of fear, and it will finally cost you on opportunities in the future. So guys, it's Marcus Maloney, the Equity King, signing off. If you want to get more information from me about becoming a real estate investor, feel free, go to my website, marcusemaloney.com. I do a 15-minute free consultation, and believe me, on that consultation, no sales pitch, nothing like that. I'm not trying to get you to buy a course or be one of my students or anything like that. I just want people to get started in the right direction. And I want, if this is what you want to do, I want you to be successful at it, because there's no reason for you to be working for someone else when there's plenty of opportunities out here for you to get. So guys, remember, you can meet me here every Wednesday and every Friday for our 2-minute meetup and our Fun Fact Friday. And then also join me on YouTube, youtube.com/MRCS Maloney. Tons of free content on there. Whatever you need to get started, it's right there. So I say, look at the videos, then go to my website, have the free consultation with me. That way I can answer your questions. Man, you can have a fresh start. You can get out there and get going. So I look forward to talking with you. Look forward to speaking with you. Keisha, I do have you on my calendar. So make sure you have your questions ready. I'm going to answer those questions for you. And also on Friday, have your questions. I'm going to go live here on Facebook or on Instagram, on YouTube, wherever you see me at. I'm just going to be answering questions. Fire around, answer questions. Believe me, I have been doing wholesaling for nearly 8 years now. Have made, millions of dollars doing this. Enjoy doing what I'm doing, but I had to make that one decision and say, this is what I'm going to do, and I had to jump out there and do it. Scared, absolutely scared to do it, but I had to do it. Also, I'm gonna give you one more thing. Here's a good read right here. If you haven't read this, if you can see that, it's Jump by Steve Harvey. Absolutely great book, if you're gonna be an entrepreneur, because it's not gonna be perfect when you get ready to get out there and get started. It's not gonna be perfect. You're gonna be thinking about, man, if I walk off my job, how am I gonna pay my bills? How am I gonna pay my car note? How am I gonna pay my mortgage? How am I gonna take care of my family? Yes, all of those thoughts will come up. You know what? And I had those same thoughts. And once I put those thoughts behind me, I got out there and got started. And my first independent deal, I closed, it was like $17,500. And after that, it was just on and popping from there, But it was a process. It was a process. It didn't happen overnight. Yes, I went through the struggles. When we moved here to Phoenix, I didn't have any furniture. I had a flat screen TV that was sitting on the floor. I was driving an old beat up pickup truck. Well, even before I had the beat up pickup truck, I had no vehicle. But I had to make things happen. And that's where you're at right now. You're in that space where you have to make things happen. It's nothing but opportunity out here for you guys. So get out there, get it. I love you. Thank you guys for being here. It's Marcus Maloney, the Equity King, signing off. I'm looking forward to talking with you. I'm looking forward for you being with me in this community. And then again, remember, if you need any resources, free contracts, assignment agreements, anything like that, go to marcusemaloney.com. See you guys later. Enjoy your evening.